This classic black electric range cooker from NewWorld is a brilliant choice if you want a spacious model with exceptional features to help you in the kitchen. It has an A energy rating and 3 cavities, including a separate grill and 2 ovens. The main electric oven has a 58-litre capacity, whereas the second fan oven is taller and has a larger 86-litre capacity. So there's plenty of space if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 cooking zones on the ceramic hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. This cooker's hob has a ceramic finish, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So, not only does it look great, but it's really simple to keep clean and maintain. The main electric fan oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavors. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavors won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. If you want a spacious model with exceptional features to help you in the kitchen, this classic black electric range cooker from NewWorld is a brilliant option.